using co-tenancy to help determine the businesses that like to locate around another. Within the Map section of Business Analyst, a user can zoom into the map and map tenants. In this case, we're going to do a points of interest search for all of the Sprouts farmers markets. Here you can see the locations of the Sprouts. Let's say that we want to focus specifically on the East Dallas market. Up in the top right-hand corner, you can select, and highlight the businesses of interest. Once you've done so, you'll notice the option to create buffers. In this case, I'm just interested in creating a very small analysis area, a 2-minute drive time. The system will take all of those 7 areas and create 2-minute drive times around each of them. It will also take this information and place it into a layer. The layer will be available permanently within your project data. Once the study areas are created, you'll notice the option to create a site for the combined areas. What this is doing is taking all 7 of those 2-minute drive times and putting them into a single study area. You can see here that the total area of the analysis area is 2.1 square miles. Now, up in the top left-hand corner under the points of interest search, I'm going to change my area of interest to my 7-polygon study area. And now, instead of searching for Sprouts, I'm going to search for all businesses. When I do this, I can see the frequency of the businesses that occur within the analysis area. You can see within a 2-minute drive time of all of the Sprouts, 1,266 businesses. When I go into the Show Filters option, I can see the frequency of those businesses. For example, I can see that there's 6 Starbucks, 5 Subways, 4 7-Elevens, 4 Exxons, 4 McDonald's, and so forth. As I scroll down, I can see the frequency of those businesses, so that if I was working on a Sprouts shopping center, I might be able to better determine what kinds of businesses might be missing from my area.